Hello and welcome to another video of Roja Oud perfumes. So today we have Roja Sultanate or Sultanate of Oman. Sultanate of Oman. So let's find out how this Omani's Sultan actually smells like. So let's find out. I am Muhammad Hassan. My channel's name is Scent Explorer. Let's find out. Bismillah. This is really lovely, uplifting. It is kind of like Luban or frankincense from Oman. Yes, it is the frankincense from Oman. This is really good because it is imitating what the Omani people actually love. They love burning this. It is a frankincense that comes from the tree trunks, trees, and resin from the tree that they actually burn, and this really exactly smells like this. It is kind of like lemon, light citrus. It has some light citrus with some Omani Luban burning effect. It is kind of refreshing. Now it has some sweet note. I'm not sure what it is, but now it is evolving into a very good perfume. Now it has some woodiness and a light floral note that is, coming out like, uh, unveiling itself and showing how it actually can mesmerize you. So this is kind of like Oriental. Now it is shifting to the Oriental side. First it was frankincense or the Omani Luban and kind of like citrus. Very good balanced perfume. This is actually, I wouldn't say that Sultanate of Oman would wear it, but it has a very good vibe of Oman's culture and what they actually burn, the frankincense, the Luban. Yes, this is actually a very good representation or mimicking of that scent. So this is mostly, I would say, if I wear it on myself, I'm not sure how it will evolve on my skin, but on a paper, let's heat it a bit. It's light floral, light woody, mostly incense. It is not kind of like burned incense or something like that. If you haven't smelled the frankincense or burning those, it has some kind of like spicy balm kind of effect to it. So it is kind of like spicy balm, a bit uplifting, aromatic kind of effect. It doesn't has a oud kind of effect. If you actually burn oud sticks or oud wood, it is mostly kind of like dense, light, sweet, woody kind of aroma in your room. If you burn Omani incense, it has some aromatic lemon, balm, benzoin kind of light effect that has some spice or tingling in it. So this is how I would describe this Sultanate of Oman. Very well done. Roja perfumes, it is oriental, it is spicy. I have some liking to it because it is a kind of like more refined version of some of the perfumes I have sniffed that actually try to mimic this Omani incense burning kind of profile. I enjoyed this one the most. This is really good. So now I'm going to give it some ratings, and from scent profile I'm going to again give it 8 out of 10 because it has a very good interpretation of Omani incense or Omani culture. If any Omani person is actually viewing this, I haven't visited Oman, but I think this Oman is famous for this frankincense or Luban and burning this. If I'm not correct, make sure you comment, leave your comment in the section below. If you love these kind of oriental perfumes, make sure you test this sample vial and then decide that whether you should buy it or not. From all these I have tested right now, my pick would be either oud or amber oud. Really, really good. So 8 out of 10 so scent profile, and I think performance would be good. I am going to give it 7 out of 10 for average because I haven't tested it on my skin. This is my review about Sultanate of Oman. I hope that you guys would love this perfume if you like Omani Incense or Luban. So I will meet you in another video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video because a lot of people don't share my videos. Okay, so that is all. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.